Okay, so for this one, we are going to be going over histograms. And this should be on your notes as well, so I'm just going to go over this note page first. So a histogram is a type of graph that uses bars to represent data. A histogram is similar to a bar graph. However, unlike bar graphs, histograms always display numerical data grouped into equal ranges or bins. So they have a range down here with the bar graph to indicate who's in that range, as opposed to a bar graph that may only have just one number for each bar. So the histogram below shows the weights of the dogs seen in Dr. Romero's office over the last day. Notice the bins along the x-axis. Each bar on the histogram shows how many dogs have a weight that falls within the bin below it. For example, 6 of the dogs weighed between 30 and 59 pounds. So 6 is here, and our group is 30 to 59. So it's really pretty simple. We're going to try some practice problems, and hopefully these will help you. So the staff of a game show tracked the performance of all the contestants during the past season. So here's the game show scores, and again we have these ranges below. They're not single numbers, they're ranges. So which score range was achieved by the most amount of people? So if our number of people is here, we can easily identify who has the top people in it, and that's the one that reaches the top of this bar graph or this histogram. And so that is 12 people who scored 41 to 60 points. So that would be the range that was achieved by the most people. So 41 to 60, so we'll go ahead and click that and then submit. All right, let's try another one. So for a social studies project, Wesley counted the number of classrooms in each school in the city. Again, this is what makes it a histogram and not a bar graph. These are ranges and not single values. The single values are on the side, and it indicates the number of schools. So how many schools are there in all? That's the question. Now we're not finding a particular bar. Instead, we got to go through and add up all the schools. So these are the number of schools. So the first is 8. We know that because the bar graph goes right up to 8. Then we got 2. Then we've got 4. Then we've got 6. Then we've got another 8. Then we've got 10. Then we've got 4. And then we've got 10 again. Then we've got 6 again and 8 again. So that is the number of schools, and we have to add all of those up to get our answer. So let's go ahead and add all of those up. You can use a calculator, or you can do it by hand. If we do it on the calculator, it'll be quicker. You won't make any of the mistakes. So let's go ahead and add that up now. So we've got 8 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6 plus 8 equals 66 schools. So it should be 66 schools is the answer. And we got that correct. We're going to end it there. If you get 2 wrong in a row, come and see me for help.